Hey, what's up, guys? It's me, Tato, back again with recipes that make you wanna cook. So, for this recipe, you're going to need your sausage or a Boerewors, honey, whatever sausage that you like. Okay, you're gonna go ahead and cook it separately. It doesn't matter how you really cook it, just do your thing, honey. Okay, so I'm just going to remove it and set it aside and remove some of the oil and leave those brown bits. I added a little bit of salted butter and I'm going to go ahead and saute my onions until they're a little bit translucent. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add my green bell peppers and some tomato paste. Now this recipe was a result of me being broke and craving something nice. Okay, honey. So I was just using miscellaneous. Ooh, let me not even try. I was using all the ingredients that I had left for the month. Okay, you know that last week. So you're gonna go ahead and add your fresh chopped garlic. You're gonna add a little bit of some ginger powder, and then I added some grated tomatoes and a little bit of salt, a little bit of sugar, just to cut off that acidity. Then you're going to go ahead and let that simmer until it becomes a little bit reduced like that, and a majority of the water has been absorbed. Gonna go ahead and add your herbs and spices highly at this point. You can use any spices that you like. And if you're gonna use this particular spice, the bright spice from the Robertson's brand, honey, please be careful. It has so much salt. I learned that the hard way. Don't ask me. So just be careful, okay? And then once the spices have cooked for about 5 to 6 minutes, you're gonna go ahead and add your chopped sausage. You can chop it like that and add it in there. You're gonna cook it off with the spices so that everything can infuse. I did go ahead and add a little bit of water just to create a little bit of a sauce or gravy in there, and that is how it looks. We're gonna simmer it down and cover it to cook until it is completely done. Okay, honey, so I didn't add any kind of stock because already I had so much salt going. That spice is wow. So this is how it looks after about 12 to 15 minutes, give or take. I also added some burger relish just to, I was just really going and just trying to get the best flavor I could. And my friend put me up on this sauce and I loved it. Then for the creamy part, I added some sour cream, honey. I love sour cream also because it will kind of, lessen some salt if you have a lot of salt going into your dish. I don't know, I feel that it does, but yeah, you can also try to add it in there. Otherwise, you can just go for fresh cream, honey, or a mixture of milk and some corn flour. Then you're going to let that simmer and gel together for about 3 to 5 minutes. You're gonna go ahead and finish off with some spring onion, honey, and that is how it looks. Look at the sauce. The sauce is so rich. It's so delicious. And even if you're broke, you can always have a proper delicious meal, honey. Gonna go ahead and serve with your spaghetti, and that is the recipe, guys. Please go ahead and do me a favor. Please subscribe to my channel, guys. It's absolutely free. I would love to have you here to enjoy these recipes with me. If you have anything you want to say to me, please comment down below and show me some love, and I will show you back some love, and I'll see you on the next one.